Can I see your license, please? So, okay, I'm not saying you weren't. I need to see your license. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm telling you. You don't have your license on you? You don't? Step out. Face away. You're just being detained right now. You're not under arrest. You just being detained. Don't fight with me, bro.
I'm not fighting, bro.
Stand up, turn around.
Did I do something wrong?
You look like Torian. Torian is wanted. So you're being detained right now, so I determine that you're not him. You understand? Keep your hand behind your back. Don't.
Man.
Please relax.
I'm relaxing, bro. I'm just
Okay.
wanting to know why. No, I'm not detained.
Get up against the car. You're just being detained. Bro, do not fight me, bro. You understand me?
Can I get the cigarette out, mouth?
No, keep it in your mouth right now. Most people want it in their mouth.
Damn, bro. What am I being detained for, though?
Bro.
Damn, I'm not running.
Bro.
I just want to know what I'm being detained
Don't do it, bro.
for.
Don't do it, bro.
Can I put my pants up?
No.
My pants. Come
Stop
on,
fighting
man. I'm
me, bro.
not fighting you, bro. I'm
Keep your hands behind your back so I can detain you.
Man. I don't want no trouble. I'm not doing nothing, bro. Can I know what you're doing this for?
The officer's body camera fell off as he tried to chase Torin. He was eventually caught, tackled to the ground, and handcuffed by the officer.
Hello? Hey. Right here. Look, you come to the back of the neighborhood, right? You go straight up the street and take a right.
Damn! How? The charges was dropped. They said the warrant was dismissed. Look, get the phone. You got it in your hand.
Hey, say where you at.
Look up.
If you don't mind. You got your license on you?
Look up the code, bro. Look up the code. Look up. The pictures, photos, 17.
I'm not fighting with you right now, bro, about this.
No, bro.
Radio 455, code 4.
This shit said dismissal.
Channel 1, Dallas 1.
I'm going.
Sir.
So what's your name, man?
10-4.
Tell me your name.
No.
This is me, man.
Huh?
What's wrong with the phone?
So what's your name?
Nebu L.
Huh?
Nebu L, bro. Did you pick me up?
Where's your license at?
I got an ID.
Where's it
I
at?
got an ID on me, bro.
It's in your pocket? Which pocket is it in? Huh?
Inside, bro.
Inside this one?
No. It's not on me right there, bro. I just told you.
Where?
Bro, I don't know. Look at you. It ain't there, bro. It ain't there. Hey, pictures. Go to the picture. Let me see. Press it off and on.
We have several in the subdivision, but have not made it to his location.
Hello? Yes.
Take my money, man.
I'm not taking your money.
Look, please, look.
You got that taken
I'm
care
not
of.
resisting. Look, could you look? Could you look?
I'm not worried about that right now.
Could you just look, though?
What's your last name, Torian?
Damn, man. Look, could you undo the belt, bro? Please. Before you pull it, could you do the belt, bro?
All right, now.
It's got my nuts clapping in the belt. You got my nuts clapping in my belt, bro?
We're going to move the cuss behind you. Don't fight me. Don't fight me. I'm going to put your cuss behind you.
Please. Wow.
I'm going to take it off one of your arms.
I ain't doing nothing.
And we're going to put it behind you. You understand?
Yes. You want to do it in front, huh? I ain't doing shit, man.
Shout out large.
You with him?
Yeah.
Get you have a seat right here, man.
Have a seat on
Yeah, have a seat right there.
Look at the procedure. Check this out. This is what's going on. They get him for a warrant, right? That was just taken care of. I don't know if it's the same one.
He got any proof of it?
Yeah, he's showing the proof on his phone. Do y'all know? You probably don't know at the moment, like if it's another warrant.
We'll find out. But there's a reason why all this is going on. That's for sure.
I mean,
Now,
sure.
if he took care of a warrant, when did he take care of it?
It would have been at least 2 weeks ago.
Okay,
2.5 weeks.
he should have some type of documentation
Right.
that says he did so. At the same time, when it was taken care of, it should have been cleared from the system. Unless there's another one. He has a warrant.
That'd be the only reason. You know,
What's your last name, Torian?
all right. Because I don't think it's gonna be a mistake. I don't know.
Put your hand behind your back.
I ain't busting them, bro.
What's going on?
Huh?
What's going on?
Bro, look at my phone, bro. It's dismissal, bro. That shit said dismissal, man.
I know they wouldn't have been able to get out of here.
Tweeds County?
Yes, it's kind of weird.
Huh?
You have a felony probation violation warrant, Torian. Hold on, let me
Pull my front, man. Please put my front. My balls clipping. I'm saying, like, what's all this shit for?
Sit down. So I'm gonna ask you one more time. If you lie to me, it's going to be another charge, false name, date of birth. What is your name? First, last.
Now, y'all doing now? You done tackled the hell out of me. Now you asking who I am?
Yeah.
How? Is your body cam on?
My body cam is on. Tell me your name.
Is it being recorded?
Tell me your name.
Could you tell me what I'm being arrested for?
You're not going to tell me what your name is?
Would you tell me what I'm being arrested for?
Felony probation violation. I got to confirm you are who I thought you were before you took off on me. What is your name?
This is too much, man.
What's your name, man?
This is too much, man. Whatever y'all gonna do, y'all kidnapping me. Y'all kidnapping me. Y'all gonna kidnap me.
Because you told me your name was something else before I asked you.
Y'all gonna take me somewhere
I'm going to run the body cam back.
Run the body cam, bro.
Okay.
I ain't did shit. You tackle the shit out
I'm going to run the body cam back.
Go ahead.
And I'm going to charge you with false name, date of birth.
Take
You're going to have
me down
another
there
one.
and do what you gotta do. Y'all gonna kidnap me? Y'all kidnapping me? Y'all not letting me know nothing.
You're not going to tell me your name?
You're
not going to tell me your name?
I am that I am. Indigenous.
1073,
I'm good.
1019, PD lobby.
055
For what?
797
I'm not on probation.
074.
I'm
Torian
not even
Clark.
on probation. False, man.
055 497 074.
Negative 055 797
Hey, I can't see without my
074.
glasses. You got my glasses over there, man.
1044.
My glasses is over there, man. My glasses
That's
is
you.
over there.
You Torian.
You heard me?
You good
My
under
glasses
arrest.
over there, man.
Cool. I'll tell you what happened. I'm going to roll the window up.
Glasses. Get my glasses.
I haven't ID'd him yet. Can you ID him?
I'm legally
Please.
blind, bro. I'm legally blind.
Help! 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 Come on, man! Come on! Come on, man! Come on!
He's kicked. You want to fasten him in so we can't do that?
Let me see what his problem is.
What's up, bro?
I'm legally blind. My glasses is over there.
All right, we'll get him.
Could
You gonna
get
relax?
them now?
Hold on a second.
Cause I just asked.
Their glasses, you don't need to see in the back of the
I
patrol
don't-
car.
I'm not able to see.
We will get your glasses
I'm
for you.
panicking, man.
But right now,
y'all
man,
look like blurs around me, man. And I need my glasses.
we will get you glasses, but you're not going to damage the patrol
Mom, I need
car.
my glasses, man. These folks talking about I got a warrant for my arrest. I don't know. They not talking about probation. I'm not on probation.
Hey, man,
They talking about probation, man.
calm down and don't damage
Y'all
the
ain't
patrol
got
car.
my glasses over there, mama. I can't see over there. Wherever he tackled me at.
I'm gonna fasten him, man. Can
I'm
you,
not, man. I don't need all that, man. Go ahead. If you
I
want
didn't
to,
ask
don't
you what
it,
you
though.
need.
Go ahead. I ain't finna do nothing crazy, man. I just can't see, man. I can't see, man. I cannot see, bro.
I'm not hurting your son, man.
He ain't hurt me,
I got an
man.
ambulance
I just
on the
need
way.
my glasses.
Do you need an ambulance too to come check
me
you
over
out?
there. Yeah, I'm bleeding.
Okay.
My arm.
Go ahead.
Brandon.
Your son's not hurt, man.
BRA.
Your son's not hurt, man. Your son's fine.
Last name Clark.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think so.
You have name, date of birth?
He gave me Brandon Clark, 5/20/91. She said that's one of the aliases on the 99
We just come to
that
detain you
you
for
got.
right now until we determine
So we
who
got to
you are.
detain
Okay?
you.
So I'm not gonna get locked up. We
Nah,
just gotta
it's
just
detained.
gonna
Alright,
detain you
between detained and
until we
arrested.
determine who you are. Okay.
Okay, you got him?
Alright. Well, right now it's saying that you have an alias as possibly wanted.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's why you're in handcuffs right
Well,
now.
we don't know.
What is the alias?
Well,
I go by
you told me your
nickname.
name was Brandon, but your real
Brandon
name
Clark.
Kevin.
We'll figure it out.
You gave me an alias.
Oh, I see.
Make sense? All right.
So,
Say off.
you got drug on him.
Man, you lying, bruh. I ain't got no Mama, they told me I had drugs on me, man. Mama,
His last name is Clark.
Mama, this man just said he had drugs on me, man. He ain't had no drugs on me, man. I promise. He did not get no drugs off me. He just said he found drugs on me, man.
R-E-A-N.
Ma, this man just said he got drugs off me. I swear he ain't getting no drugs off me, man. Mama,
We got a canine that's about to submit.
Mama, this man just said he got drugs off me. Mama, man, I'm bleeding on my arm. Man, this man just said he got drugs on me.
Calm down. Calm down, okay? Hey! Calm down. Calm down.
Man, these men just lying, bro. Say! He ain't getting no drugs off me, man. He took everything out of my pocket already, man. Officer! Officer! I don't sell drugs. So I don't give a f***. I don't do drugs, I don't sell drugs. Ain't no way. I'll way to run that body cam back. See if you got it off me. Oh damn well. Lying, bro. He lying, bro. Get no f***ing drugs off me, man.
Trying to get to, man. Where you headed? The house right there?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, let's hit the cul-de-sac and make a loop. Park behind that white truck there.
You said
Alright.
make it what?
Make a loop. Hit
Around
the cul-de-sac and he make a circle and park behind that white truck right there. Go for it.
Officer! 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 Could you put my glasses back on? Will you please?
Bro, did you hear what happened? So you know I'm prior probation parole, right? I had one of my guys send me a list of all the gang members in our city, and there's only 2 on the list that came up wanted. So I'm gonna do a drive by on the house, see what I can see. See if I can see a car in the driveway, so I know what to look out for if he's on the road. If it's on the road, drove by, car's in the driveway. He is in the car when I drive by. So I take up a spot for concealment. He pulls out a minute later, literally. He looks like the dude in the picture that's wanted, felony probation violation. And then I get him out. He doesn't have his ID. He refuses to identify himself. You're gonna be detained. That's when I let him break it. We have another charge.
Hey! I'm up here yelling. I'm trying to get y'all attention.
What's going on there?
My glasses fell on the ground on the other side. Can you put them back on my face?
You just banging something against the window.
No, I wasn't banging nothing. Huh?
I'm not about to put something back on your face if you're going to knock them off.
I'm not going to do that. I try to get y'all attention. I'm bleeding out here. Medical
We
ain't
have
showing
an
up
ambulance
yet.
on the way, man.
All right.
Glasses on his face.
Could you get them on the other side?
You going to throw them off
No,
again?
I'm not. I just
If
look.
you act up again, you're going to catch another charge for damaging government
I ain't doing that. I ain't gonna do nothing like that, man. I'm just trying to see what. Look, I know that. With y'all, okay, that right there. Okay, but look, all this other stuff going on. I'm trying to figure out why am I? They just told y'all they're not accepting me because of COVID.
You still have charges.
What charges?
The other officer will explain your charges on the way to the jail.
So is it what kind of charges though?
I don't know. I'm not the officer there.
Because I ran.
Probably one of them. You're probably gonna have an obstruction charge. If he stopped you on a traffic stop, he said you had to suspend the license. That'd be another charge.
Is my license suspended?
That's what he said.
You didn't tell me that.
And then you lied about who you were.
I didn't lie. I didn't lie who I was. He asked me who I am. I said I am that I am. I didn't lie. He said my Torian clock. I said what? What's going on?
Like
Nobody lied
the
about me.
officer stopped you.
I understand that, and I ain't giving you no problem. I just try to get somebody's attention because my glasses on the floor over there. Y'all, I'm seeing stuff. What is this over here? These drugs right here. I'm seeing some stuff. What is that on the front of the hood? Drugs?
On the top of the car?
Yeah, drugs.
Possibly.
I'm talking about on the front of this one. Yeah.
Possibly.
It looked like drugs. But what is that even linked to me for?
Because it was in the vicinity that you ran from him in.
What they got to do with me? My glasses was too.
There you go. Everything that's in that
He
vicinity.
took everything out my pocket. He didn't get no drugs off of me, man. He over there, he snatched, he had me on the ground, knee in my chest. He snatched the cigarillo. I'm telling you what happened. I know, you want to hear.
I wouldn't hear.
But I'm telling you what happened. He snatched everything out my pocket. Right then and now. I ain't have nothing, I ain't have no drugs on me, man.
Alright, can you get his glasses out the other floorboard?
Where is it?
Could you,
On the other side?
you hear what I said though?
Yeah.
He didn't get no drugs off of me. I didn't have no drugs on me. My glasses fell off when he tackled me. He snatched everything out of my pocket. And then the other officer held me while he snatched everything else out of my pocket.
Doesn't mean you didn't throw it when you ran.
I didn't have nothing in my hand.
I can't.
He had a body cam on.
Then therefore we can watch his body cam.
Alright, that'd be cool. That's cool.
That's cool. But y'all gonna charge me with that anyway?
You can't charge if we don't know what it is, right? So
I don't know. I'm asking whatever it is.
I just said we can't charge you with it if we don't know what it is. So therefore, it's going to be sent off to the GBI crime lab, and then it's going to be tested. If it comes back it's an illegal controlled substance, therefore you will be charged.
How? If we ain't get it, I didn't.
I just explained to you
I
in
don't
the vicinity
understand.
there you ran.
It was in the vicinity where I tackled you. What does that mean? Can I talk to him? Can I talk to him, please? What's up? Can I?
You going to act full again?
No.
Okay, roll your window down. We can roll your window down.
I'm trying to figure out the whole full, like, you said I had a warrant for my arrest. For probation.
Felony probation violation for armed robbery.
That was...
You're on felony probation for armed robbery, are you not? You still on probation for are you not?
Armed robbery.
You know how long this man?
It wouldn't matter.
She said you
You got a
were on
warrant, you got a
probation
warrant.
until 2024, like I just told you.
Yeah.
You got 2 cases actually. Yep.
What 2 cases?
Felony cases that you're on probation for.
Yeah, I know that. That's what I'm saying.
You know it now.
No, I know
10
that.
minutes ago you didn't.
No, I
You
know
were saying that you wasn't. So what's the difference now between now and then?
Because I'm not on probation. I talked to her when I first got out of prison. And we spoke. I was on parole. And then I stopped to make...
You're working the damn floor right now, bro. This all could have been avoided. You would be walking away right now had you not ran from me.
Man, I was nervous as hell, man. I ain't know what the hell
I'm
you
just
got
letting you
in
know.
front of me.
So
You turned around
I'm
right
just
there.
saying, future reference.
This shit
You
fucking me up, man.
Future reference, you probably ain't gonna want to do that, so you gonna walk away. But now you're going to jail
Look
since you
what's
wanted to do
happening
all
now,
that.
bro. I'm gonna be locked up,
Because
man.
you wanted to run.
Man, y'all the police, man.
Scared of police?
I'm scared the hell of the police, man.
Okay.
It's just a scratch.
Is it from the cuffs?
No, it's just a superficial scratch. Like there's nothing to bandage, man.
Alright, let's
no
go,
blood
man.
dripping.
Don't make me fall, though.
Okay.
Alright.
Thanks, ma'am.
Come on, you had me down, pin down, man.